And you know what she said? 2 words. Now, these 2 words, not everyone can appreciate these 2 words. Some people don't like these 2 words. But in the insurance and mortgage lending business, these 2 words are actually really good news. Welcome to our new video, Advancing with Financing. We talked to an SBA agent. It was 5 a.m. California time, and she was up and she was working and she was ready to answer our questions because we had 2 problems, and we're going to tell you about that right now. What happened was yesterday we got 2 calls from 2 people that found us on Google because they searched EIDL. Their EIDL loan was rejected and they want to file for reconsideration. So how do you do that? Take it away.
First of all, we love the SBA agents who are working diligently on the front lines with energy and enthusiasm to help business owners get the economic injury disaster loan financing they need. So I kind of floated a generic question.
Here it is.
The question was, what's the effect of a bankruptcy on an EIDL application? Is it the be-all and end-all of a loan declination?
And you know what she said? 2 words. These 2 words are actually really good news. Which good news, by the way, is also 2 words. Anyway.
What were the 2 words?
What were the 2 words?
It depends. The effect of the bankruptcy on an EIDL approval reconsideration. It depends.
It depends.
So,
what does this mean, Trevor?
this means as a loan officer who spent 30 years not taking no for an answer and looking for gray areas in the underwriting guidelines, well, the word "it depends" is opening a door to allow us to submit an explanation with details, dates, and legitimate details about why there were late payments on a credit report that lowered the score or why the bankruptcy had to happen. The words "it depends" opens the door to have a conversation with, along with evidence and an explanation, a conversation with the underwriter on the loan. That means you have a shot at getting the loan reconsidered, even if it was declined.
I want to thank you for joining us. Please check us out on our WTF Wednesday. We have a live show every Wednesday at 11:35. It's a lot of updates on disaster financing. Check out the playlist on YouTube. We will see you next time. Thanks for joining us.